Dallas Mavericks guard Klay Thompson has discovered a new obsession off the court, and it has nothing to do with basketball. According to Megan Thee Stallion, her home-cooked catfish, spaghetti, and King's Hawaiian rolls have become Thompson's weekly must-have. The Grammy-winning rapper recently revealed that Thompson now asks for the meal every week, with the NBA star even calling it the best thing I've ever tasted. Quick background: Klay Thompson, February 8, 1990, in Los Angeles, California. Klay is the son of former NBA #1 draft pick Michael Thompson, from Nassau, Bahamas, and college volleyball star Julie Thompson. A four-time NBA champion and five-time All-Star, Klay is widely regarded as one of the greatest shooters in basketball history. Megan Thee Stallion, born February 15, 1995, in San Antonio, Texas and raised in Houston, Megan, real name Megan Javan Ruth Pete, has become one of the most successful female rappers of her generation. With multiple Grammy Awards, chart-topping hits, and a strong cultural presence, she's celebrated for both her music and her unapologetic confidence. The internet reacts fans couldn't resist chiming in on Klay's new food obsession. Megan's cooking got Klay locked in more than a playoff series. 4 rings. Megan's kitchen. Klay really won in life. This is why his jumper's so smooth. Spaghetti fuel. It's the kind of light-hearted chaos that often surrounds Thompson, who's just as famous for his offbeat personality and viral antics as he's for his on-court heroics. Relationship spotlight: the pair's connection has been the subject of increasing speculation in recent months, fueled by sightings at dinners, fishing trips, and courtside appearances. While neither has formally addressed their relationship status, Megan's candid comments about cooking for Thompson offer the clearest glimpse yet into their growing closeness. For Thompson, 35, who recently entered a new chapter of his career with Dallas after 13 seasons with the Golden State Warriors, the relationship adds a refreshing layer of intrigue to his life. For Megan, 30, the bond highlights a softer, more personal side of the Houston-born superstar. More than just a meal beyond the buzz, the story underscores how two high-profile figures are finding joy in simple, everyday moments. A plate of catfish and spaghetti may not sound like headline news, but when it comes from Megan Thee Stallion's kitchen, and when it has Klay Thompson calling it a weekly ascension, it becomes part of the cultural conversation. The bottom line: whether it's on the court or at the dinner table, Klay Thompson continues to capture attention in ways that go far beyond basketball. And right now, the hottest dish in the NBA isn't a new play, it's Megan Thee Stallion's spaghetti.